G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here with Christian Bold, and the big thing that everyone talks about is hail damage.
Yeah, mate, with the way that the weather has been lately, there's been quite a few insurance claims through for hail damage on caravans, and fortunately we're able to help customers out with that.
So the hail damage happens, what's the next step?
Yeah, so depending on what it is, like whether it's a side panel, a roof, an awning that's been left out in the weather and that the hail's hit it, the customer will go to the insurance company, get a claim number. The insurance company will then send us a request for quote. From there we contact the customer, book them in for an assessment, assess it, quote it up, send the quote through to the insurance company. Once it's approved, we then get the customer back in and do the repairs that are needed.
So what does that mean? You might have to rip panels off?
Oh, absolutely. So you can see on this caravan here, we've had to rip panels off to replace them. A lot of the time, panels are that thin, or the cladding is that thin on a caravan that you can't just pull a divot out of that panel like you can on a car.
Yeah.
So we have to actually replace the panels, and a lot of the time, like this one here where it's got decals on it, once the panels are replaced, we then have to get our decal guy out and put all new stickers and decals on.
Right, but importantly, while you're waiting for the approval, the caravan generally is still usable.
Absolutely. Well, it's only hail damage.
Yeah.
So unless it has penetrated into the van and causing leaks, it's just cosmetics, exactly.
Yeah.
So the customer can still go and use it, enjoy it for a month or two, whatever
That's
it might be, for the insurance company to get the approval back to us. If there's parts that need to be ordered for it as well, they're still able to use that until we get the parts in. Then we get them in, keep it here as minimal as possible so we can get the job done, get the customer back out on the road enjoying the countryside.
So when the vehicles are here and waiting for repair,
Yep.
you keep them undercover?
Yeah, absolutely. As soon as it comes in, it gets designated to an area, and that's where it'll stay until the work's done.
Right, and then for the people to deliver, they can now, with your new premises at Miranda, they can just drive straight in?
Absolutely. Drive in, let us take the photos of the vehicle, we take it off the back of the car for the customer, tag it up, bring it in with a forklift, and away we go.
Oh, there you go. So Bold TCRC, how do they find you?
So you can find us at our new premises, which is Unit 1, 82 to 84 Bellingara Rd, Miranda, New South Wales. Find us on the website, which is boldtcrc.com.au, or give us a call, 02 8544 8114.
There you go, boldtcrc.com.au. Easy to find. They'll look after you. Boldtcrc.com.au.